Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how we can tackle the list of headings in reading module. ठीक है, according to me most of the students face lots of problems to find the list of headings while doing their reading. First of all, as we see in this page, we are going to tackle the answer 14 to 20. First of all, read the instructions carefully. It is one of the important tasks you have to do while doing your reading module. Okay, reading passage second has 7 paragraphs A to G. Choose the correct heading for each paragraph from the list of headings below. Write the correct number. It means make sure while doing your reading you have only marked the number. No need to read the whole line. Okay, 1 to 9 in the boxes, 14 to 20 on your answer sheet. Okay, first of all, read the given list of headings and mark the keywords. Okay, from the very beginning, the best moment to migrate, it means best moment. The unexplained rejection of closer feeding, unexplained or closer feeding. The influence of weather on the migration, weather or migration route. Physical characteristics that allow birds to migrate. The main reason why birds migrate, it means main reason, keyword. The best wintering grounds for birds, best wintering. Research finds on how birds migrate, research finds birds migrate. Successful migration despite trouble of wind, successful migration despite trouble of wind means trouble of wind. Contrast between long distance migration and short distance migration. Contrast long distance and short distance migration. And the last one is mysterious migration despite lack of teaching. Mysterious and lack of teaching. Okay, now move to the first paragraph. 14th is paragraph A. According to me, most of the time we are able to find our answer in case of list of heading in the very first 2 lines of paragraph and the last 2 lines of paragraph. We have no need to read the whole passage. It will definitely consume our time as well as we can find our answer easily. First of all, read the first line. Birds have many unique design features. Design features, as we have already studied in the, in the 4th list of heading, physical characteristics means design features that enable them to perform such amazing feats of endurance. They are equipped with lightweight, hollow bones, physical feature, intricately designed feathers, punk. Okay, it means it is clear from the first 2 lines of the paragraph. Paragraph A answer is 4th. Physical characteristics. Physical characteristics that allow birds to migrate. Clear students? They use synonym. ठीक है, simple design features, and in this list of heading they use physical characteristics such as bones, feathers. Okay, now move to the 15th question, paragraph B. Read the first line of the paragraph B. The fundamental reason that birds migrate is to find adequate food. Fundamental means main. Main reason that birds migrate is to find adequate food during the winter months. Adequate food means food for eating purpose. Okay, now read the list of headings. The best moment to migrate, no, it is not suitable for the line which we have already read in the paragraph B. The unexplained rejection, no. The influence of weather on the migration route, no. Physical characteristics that allow birds to migrate, as we have already done, it is the heading of paragraph A. The main reason, main means fundamental reason, as we have already read in the paragraph B first line. Why birds migrate. Okay, now move to the paragraph B. The fundamental reason that birds migrate is to find adequate food. Reason is to find adequate food. It means for 15th question, paragraph B has answer 5. Okay, cross the options which we have already done. Now move to the paragraph C. Paragraph C. One puzzling fact is that many birds journey much further than would be necessary. One puzzling fact, okay, is that many birds journey much further, बहुत ज़्यादा, than would be necessary. Necessity तो ज़्यादा उतना जर्नी कर देने just to find food. ठीक है. Move to the list of the headings. The best moment to migrate. No. The unexplained rejection. I think it is suitable. The unexplained. Okay. In the paragraph C, puzzling fact means it is same meaning of unexplained, that many birds journey much further than would be necessary. The unexplained rejection of closer feeding ground. Okay. The unexplained rejection of closer. Now read the further line. When it is in short supply. ठीक है. This particularly applies to birds. Sorry. We are in the C paragraph na. Find food and good weather. Nobody knows, for instance, why British swallows, which could presumably survive equally well if they spent the winter in equatorial Africa, still they have the possibility that they can live in the equatorial Africa. Instead of living there, they prefer to move to the outer cities. It means for C paragraph, its answer is in second list of heading. Close that one also. Now move to the paragraph D. One of the greatest mystery is how young birds know how to find the traditional wintering areas without parental guidance, means without lack of teaching. Okay, we have read in the last 10th option, mysterious migration despite lack of teaching. Mysterious, as we have already read in the paragraph D, mysteries. Greatest mysteries, it means it has the same meaning. It means for paragraph D, for 17th question, our answer is 10th. Cross this one also. Now move to the paragraph E. Paragraph E, mounting evidence. It is the answer of 18th question. Mounting evidence has confirmed that birds use the position of the sun and stars to obtain compass and direction. Mounting evidence means birds use something. Okay, its answer is the best moment to migrate. No. The influence of weather on the migration route. No. Is it not possible? The best wintering grounds for birds. No. Research finds on how birds migrate. How birds migrate, as we have already read in the first line of the paragraph E, mounting evidence means research finding has confirmed that birds use what they use, the position of the sun and stars to obtain compass direction, to obtain direction for flying. It means for paragraph E, our answer is 7th. Mark this one also cross. Now move to the paragraph E. Nevertheless, all journeys involve considerable risk, and part of the skill in arriving safely is setting off at the right time. Okay, this means accurate weather forecasting. It means accurate weather forecasting is also necessary for migration and utilizing favorable winds. ठीक है, it means they have to utilize favorable winds. It means the wind must be in the favor of the direction in which they are flying. Okay, the best moment to migrate. Okay, its answer is, as I said, read, this means accurate weather forecasting and favorable winds. It means for 19th question, our answer is 1, the best moment to migrate. Move to the last question of today's video. It is paragraph G. Read the paragraph G. It is the last question of today's video. In one instance, a Welsh manx shearwater carried to America and released was back in its burrow on Shalcombe Island off the Pembrokeshire coast. One day before a letter announcing its release. Nothing is clear from the first two lines of the paragraph G. Okay, read the further lines, last two lines. Not only do they arrive safely in Europe, but based on ringing evidence, some make it back to North America the following spring, after probably spending the winter with European migrants in sunny African climes. Nothing is clear from the first two lines and the last two lines. Then read the third line. Conversely, each autumn a small number of North American birds are blown across the Atlantic by fast moving westerly tailwinds. Not only do they arrive safely, still during the fast wind, still they are able to arrive in their destination safely. It means, read the given list of headings which we are left. The influence of weather on the migration route, no. The best wintering grounds for no. Successful migration despite trouble of wind. As we have read in the paragraph, they have to face the troubles during fast blowing wind. It means our answer for last paragraph is 8th. Rest of the questions we are going to do in our next video. Till thanks, stay safe in this COVID era. Thank you so much.